Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you watching this video. How are you all? I hope you all will be doing great and you all will be taking good care of yourselves. Today we are having our video for grade 7. It is the poem Leaf in the Wind. This poem is from your book Understand and Communicate book 2, and this poem is written by an African poet Bernard B. Daddy. So kindly all of you open your books so that we may read the poem. Let me first tell you the summary of the poem. The poem is written by Bernard B. Daddy. The poet has used symbolical language. He is considered as an outcast person in the society. He is disliked by the society because he doesn't follow the rules and the regulations in the society. The poet wants to spend his life according to his own desires. His dreams are numerous, and but the dreams are as innocent as a smile of a child. He says that he wants a change in the life, but not by the force. He calls himself leaf in the wind because he doesn't stay at one place. He wants to move anywhere and wherever he wants. He is his own master and drifter who sails with his tide searching for the sun. So you have to read the poem, and that is on page number 43 of your book. The first stanza, I am the man, the color of the night. With these lines, as I have already told you, that this poem is written by an African poet, Bernard B. Daddy. He is a revolutionary poet of Africa. This poem is an open poem. The stanzas in this poem are not properly structured. The poet is writing his imaginations and his views in a very open style. The open style suits the imaginations of poet. The first lines are I am the man, the color of the night, leaf in the wind, I go at the drift of my dreams. The poet writes that I am a man. He is writing about himself that I am a man means I am a man, the color of the night means the color of the night is black. So he is describing himself that I am a man of black color. He is not saying himself of black color. Actually, he is I am in is as representative of a black community. Fine. But in a very he is describing in a very beautiful way, in a very poetic way. He is writing that I am a man, the color of the night. Leaf in the wind, I go at the drift of my dreams. It means I am having my aims in life. Fine. So I am like a leaf in the wind. Leaf in the wind means a detached leaf which is not attached to the plant. So I am free. I am born free like the normal human beings. So I am going or moving the force of my own dreams. I am the tree putting forth shoots and springs, the dew that hums in the great tree's hollow. As we all know that the plants are not dead, so he's describing that he is like a tree putting forth shoots in the spring. In winter, as you all know, that the tree becomes lifeless, but in spring they give forth the shoots, the tree becomes so full of life. So he is describing that he is so full of life. Leaf in the wind, I go at the drift of my dreams means he is like a detached leaf that is not attached to a plant, and he can move anywhere and wherever he wants. And the dew that hums in the great trees hollow means that empty vessels, as you know, make loud sounds like trickle. The dewdrops trickle, and the hums gives beautiful sounds. So he is describing that he is like the dewdrops that trickles in the hollow trees, and it produces a very beautiful sounds. Now read the lines. I am the man they complain of because opposed to formality. He is saying that he is the man the people complain about because he doesn't follow the formality. What are the formality? Formality is something that is not necessary, that is unnecessary, that is not so important, the customs and traditions and the formalities. So being a very practical person. He opposed the unnecessary customs and traditions and formalities. He is saying that he is a man people mock at, laugh at, because the reason is he is a kind of man that who oppose the barriers. Dear students, barriers is something that controls the movement of something. So he is saying that people who are against of him, they are controlling his revolutionary movement. So he is the man, he is facing the huge barriers. Leaf in the wind, I go where the drift of my dreams means he is like a detached leaf and he follows his own aims. I am the man they talk about. Oh, him. In these lines he's describing himself that he is a center of discussion among people. They say oh him. He is written oh him in the inverted commas, as in his imagination he thinks that people say oh him you cannot hold, you cannot control. The breeze that touches you and is gone means you cannot hold him, you cannot trace him. He is the man who follows his own desires, his own aims. So he is like the breeze. He can touch you, you can feel, but you cannot hold him. So the next line, that is the main chorus of the poem, leaving the wind I go with the drift of my dreams. That is the title of the poem also, means he is like a leaf. He go like a detached leaf. He can move and go anywhere and wherever he wants by following his own dreams. Captain at the stern, scanning the scudding clouds. So he is describing himself as a very powerful, in a very powerful words, in a very powerful way, that he is the captain who is controlling the back part of the ship. Stern means the back part of the ship. Scanning the scudding clouds. Scanning means observing each and everything very carefully. The scudding clouds mean the moving clouds, moving very smoothly. He is controlling the back part of the ship. He is scanning the scudding clouds for the earth's powerful eye. The earth powerful eye means the sun, ship without sail. He is describing his power that he is like a ship that is without sail. Nothing is controlling that ship that glides on the sea, that is moving on that sea. See, in this line, in these lines, he is describing himself like a boat that without sail, and that is gliding on the huge sea. As you all know, that 70% of our earth is uh, of our earth is water. So he is drifting, gliding on the sea like a boat